Greetings once again to my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and wherever else this video will be seen. It's me again, Celine Driver, with another video of one of those high-end watches that I can't afford. This watch is once again on loan to me from a third party. I get to play with it for a little while, and then regrettably I get to send it back. And pardon me, this watch is from GoS. I'm not really sure if that's an O or an and, but I think it's actually G and S. The G is Gustafsson. The S is, and you will forgive me, it's spelled Sjogren. I don't speak Scandinavian, so knowing that Bjorn Bork is BJ, Bjorn, I'm going to guess that SJ is Sjogren. I'm going to go with Sjogren because I'm an American and I speak two languages, English and bad English. So I'm going to go with Sjogren. So Gustafsson and Sjogren, a Scandinavian watch company, qualifies as a micro brand because of their output, and makers of some very interesting and very fine looking pieces, one of which I have here with me. Now, mine, or not mine, but the one I'm reviewing is a BiFrost Isbla Ice Blue. So BiFrost Ice Blue. It's serial number 6, and it was a direct purchase from G&S. This is obviously the certificate of authenticity. It's signed by Gustafsson and Sjogren. And it is a very interesting piece, as you will see in a minute here. Comes in this nice big box. Company logo. It's a simple cardboard box. Inside it's a little less simple, but foam, hard foam surrounding a very interesting looking wood vessel. And at the very bottom here is a cloth, which is still sealed, which is nice. Anyway, get that guy down there. And inside the wood inner box, which is very attractive, is the watch itself. And here we are here. If you you probably saw this already on the Watch of the Day. I posted it on the Kickstarter Facebook group, Watch of the Day. I thought I would review it because I went ahead and posted the picture anyway. How the hell with that? Anyway, here we have the BiFrost Ice Blue. This is one of their BiFrost line. This was their first of the BiFrost or BiFrost or however you pronounce it. I'm going to go with BiFrost. Beautiful, simple three-hander. It is an automatic, as you can see. Just a gorgeous, simple dress watch piece. Relatively thin for an automatic. I'll go over that in a minute. G&S logo on the side. Sort of a Damascus look to the side and the crown. And of course that Damascus ice blue face, which is absolutely stunning. Just a very, very unique piece all around. leather strap, which fits me very well. Signed, but oops, upside down. Sorry, folks. Signed buckle. And exhibition screw down case back with more Damascus on the very unique looking rotor. And there you see how to spell Gustafsson, and there you see how to spell Sjogren. Sjogren? I've been pronouncing it wrong even when I've been pronouncing it wrong. Sjogren. I'm going to go with Sjogren. Somebody want to correct me in the comments, go ahead. There's the model, the submodel Isbla, something, which I understand translates to ice blue or ice, and it is number 6. These are limited edition washes. According to their website, this is number 6 of 25. So not a lot of these floating around out there, and this one is the 6th one. Let's see, got my little stat sheet. See, it is 42.5 millimeter in diameter. It is a 9.5 millimeter thick case, 22 millimeter lug width with screw-in. Well, they're not spring bars, but bars. So changing straps on this thing would be very easy. It is a flat sapphire crystal with AR coating. It is a Swiss Soprod, S-O-P-R-O-D, Soprod or Soprod, A10 movement. So this is, even though it is, well, it's Swiss. It's Swiss made, Swiss movement. Surprised there weren't Swiss chocolates in the box. That would have been nice. Let's see. It is a stainless steel case and buckle. Love that brushed finish. Nice polish on the back, but I love the it's still a little shiny, but it is, to me, to my eye, a brush finish on the bezel. Very nice. As you can see, a beautiful Damascus steel, stainless steel face with that gorgeous blue color, and everyone who's a subscriber to my channel knows I am a fool for blue. And the inner chapter ring, which you can see here, is 18 karat white gold. So a little bit of precious metal style to go with your Damascus steel and your stainless steel case. It is not a screw down crown. It does hack when you pull the crown out. So it is a hackable movement, if that's important. I don't know if that's important in a dressy watch, but okay. And I wish I could make the rotor move. Well, I guess, yeah, you can see the rotor's moving a little bit. Very interesting looking rotor. And it's also Damascus steel, according to their this information on their website. And it loves being on a winder, so it doesn't give me any problems with that. I do have a few watches that, even with rotors on, hate being on winders for some reason. They run goofy or they don't wind at all, but go figure. Anyway, put it on so you can see it on my wrist. It does have rather long lugs, but it wears very well on my wrist. It falls nicely in the middle. Lug overhang is, just right there on the curve of my forearm or wrist. And as you know, I wear my watches higher. I don't wear them down here, so I don't have any interference with the crown, which is a a good sized crown, but not a bad looking piece. I mean, I don't know what the price is on this thing. I wish I did, but I figure, with the materials used and knowing that the Damascus process is not an easy process. Been watching too much Forged in Fire to be fooled by that. Obviously not a watch that I would be able to buy on my own, but I was very grateful for the owner to loan it to me to let me play with it for a little bit, and then I'll just give it back to him. Nice looking watch. Anyway, not much more to say about it other than it's a thrill to have it, and I've had it for a little bit now, and I've enjoyed wearing it. It'll probably go back after the first of the year. We're videoing this right before Christmas 2018, so I got a couple more weeks to play, and then I give it back. So I'm going to wrap the video up there with that. If you have any desire to, I'd appreciate a thumbs up on the video. Comments down there. I answer all comments. All I ask is that you keep it clean and civil. If you get particularly nasty, I'll just delete the comment without replying. Sorry, not sorry. And if you like the video and you want to do it, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the little bell icon next to it so that when I upload more content, you are alerted. I do try and post somewhat regularly when I have something to say or something to show. I know I will be having something to show very soon. Several things, in fact. So go ahead and click that bell icon, and you'll know when I send it. So otherwise, have a good rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next video.